Hey guys, welcome to another quick Python lesson, and in this video I'm going to keep it short and simple, and we are going to speak about how to get input from the terminal. So if you're ready, let's get started. So getting input from the terminal is not usually necessary because most of the time it's usually going to have a graphical interface, so that's where you're going to get input from, but we haven't gotten into UI and all that type of stuff yet. It's useful to be able to know how to get input from the terminal. So the first thing we're going to do is create a variable, and we're going to call it user input. So let's do this. And to get input from the terminal, all I have to do is do input. You could practically just do this and leave it as that, and this will be able to get the input. But you can also put a string in here and create a prompt or a message on telling the user on what to enter. So for example, please enter the letter A. And this is going to go tell the user to enter the letter A. So now once we do that, whatever the user enters, it's going to be stored into this user input variable. So now all we can do is just print the user input, and this will print the letter A, if we type in the letter A, of course. So if we run it, it says please enter the letter A, boom, we put that in, and then it prints A. So this is very useful, of course, as you can see, because now we're able to get input from the user. So now, in the last lesson, we learned about if and else statements, so now we can say if user input equals A, then print thank you. Else, we can print please enter the letter A. And there we go. So now our code is starting to get more complex, as you can clearly tell. So if we run this, please enter the letter A, we get thank you. And if we run it again, if we don't put the letter A in, it says please enter the letter A right here. So our program works. This is cool and all. So I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.